Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 80. If we start with this row, we're missing 1 and 6. And I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 1, but I'm not seeing any other help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so 1, 4, 7 here, so 1, 3, 4. 3 here, so 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, and 7 here. So this is our 3. The only place the 7 can be in this box is here. And then we can get rid of this 3. For this bottom row now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here and a 2 here, so this is our 5. That 6 makes this our 2, 6. For this row now, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 1. But I don't see any other help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this column now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. The 3 can't be here, so it must be here. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 7. No help here. 1, 4, 6, 7. 6 here, so 1, 4, 7. 7 here, so 1, 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 7, 8. 5 here, so 1, 7, 8. 5 and 8 here, so 1, 7. 7 and 8 here, so 1, 5. But if we look then, the only place the 5 can be in that column is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 9. We've got 4 and 6 here, so 1, 9. 4 here, so 1, 6, 9. 9 here, so 1, 4, 6. 9 here, so 1, 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 7. No help here. 1, 4, 6, 7. And no help here. 1, 4, 6, 7. This one's getting a little messy. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 1, 4, 5. 5 and 9 here, so 1, 4. 5 here, so 1, 4, 9. But if we look at that column, the only place the 5 can be is here. And the only place the 9 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 6. And it looks like the only place the 2 can be is here. For this column now, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 4, 8, and no help here. 1, 4, 6, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 here and a 9 here, so 1, 8, 9 here, so 1, 6, 8. And for this box, we're missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and 9. We've got 2, 7, 2, 3, 7, and 9. So we're missing 1. Is that the only one? No, 1 and 4. Okay. 2, 3, and 7 here. So 1, 4, 9. 3, 7, and 9 here. So 1, 2, 4. 2, 5, and 9 here. So 1, 3, 7. 2 and 3 here. So 1, 4, 7, 9. 2, 3, and 9 here. So 1, 4, 7. Now we're going to have to do a lot of looking. So in this column, it looks like the only place the 3 can be is here. In this column, the only place I see a 2 is here. All right, for this row, the only place a 6 can be is here. That makes this our 1, 4, 7, 6, 4. And now the only place in this row a 7 can be is here. So we can get rid of this 7, this 4, this 4, and this 4. It's gonna be a long one, guys, sorry. We'll see if we can make it through though. All right, and a little advanced here, but if the 1 and 4 have to be here and here, actually let's just look here. The only place the 8 can be in that column is here. That makes this our 1, 8. We do some cleanup. We can get rid of this 8. This 1, this 1, this 1. And now in this box, nope, that's not going to help. For this column now, the only place the 4 can be is here. That makes this our 9, 7. And that 4 makes this our 1, 7. That 1 makes this our 4, 1, 4. We can get rid of this 7, this 4. Now the only place in this box the 4 can be is here. That 4 makes this our 8, 4, and that 8 makes this our 1, 9, 6, 8. That 6 makes this our 1, 6, 1, 6. And what do you know? We made it. That one was very messy. Sorry about that. Well, there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.